when suspects try to steal kids.
Show me your hands. Get the out the car. Get the open the door. Open the door.
I'm not asking you twice. Give me the car keys.
When suspects try to steal kids. You wouldn't believe it if it wasn't caught on camera. Today, we have multiple cases where suspects attempt to steal a child. Case number 1 was filmed in Atlanta, Georgia, on April 4th.
I got the car, Peoples and RDA.
A Georgia man faced serious kidnapping charges after attempting to steal a car with the owner's child still inside.
Show me your hands. Show me your hands. Get the out the car. Get the open the door. Open the door.
So you're trying to kill us? You're trying to kill us? Oh my gosh, you're trying to kill us. Oh my gosh, you're trying to kill me. Why would y'all do that, man?
Get up.
Please don't, don't beat me up, man. Listen, don't get on that. Y'all trying to kill me. Don't fight me, man.
Get on the ground.
Don't fight me. Stop, don't fight me. He don't stop trying to fight me. He don't stop trying to fight me.
The driver was taken into police custody, and the child was safely reunited with their mother.
Put your hands down.
I didn't have to actually ran into us. He hit us. He hit us. That's messed up. He hit us. He's trying to kill us. He hit us. That's messed up. Oh, please not mishandle me.
Everyone thanks for your GSP. Appreciate you coming over also. That's what we get.
He hit us. That's messed up.
Although unharmed, the child was taken to a local hospital for evaluation.
She, come here. I can show you where she's at. I can show you. My phone is in the car. Please, yes.
Okay, you did it.
No.
You did a good job. You did a good job, man.
No.
You did a good job, man. You did a good job.
Excuse me.
You okay?
Yes.
You okay?
Yes.
Yeah, we're gonna take you to your mom. You all right? You okay? You okay?
My mom called you.
Yeah.
While no one was physically hurt, the trauma of this incident will linger.
Yes, she did.
Okay.
Yes, she did.
Excuse me. Excuse me. I want to go now.
Case number 2 was filmed in Hillsborough County, Florida, on October 10th.
Stop the truck! Now!
The quick action of a Hillsborough County Sheriff's deputy prevented a man from stealing a pickup truck with 2 young children inside.
Pull into the parking lot! Roll the window down. Why are you doing with the kids? What's going on? Roll the window down, bro. This is not your car? Step out of the car. Step out of the car, bro. Okay, step out of the car. Help me out here. It's not you? Alright, let me figure it out, okay? Put that bottle away. Put that bottle away. Okay, put that bottle away. Okay. I'm gonna ask you to step out of the car and help me out. Okay? What do you mean not you?
Not me.
Okay. So let me figure out. I don't know what's going on. So
Step out till you figure it out.
you're gonna step out. I cannot let you. Give me the car keys. Give me the car keys. Give me the car keys.
I know what it is.
I know where Dad is. I saw him running this way. Give me the car keys. I'm not asking you twice. Give me the car keys. Alright. Step out.
I don't know.
I step out. I need to figure out. I cannot let you in the car.
If I step out, you're gonna punch me.
I'm not gonna punch you, bro.
will.
No, I promise you.
You will.
I promise you.
You will. If I step out, you're gonna punch me.
Razor 103.
Razor 103.
Get on 94.
Unit County Court 15th and 137.
Is this?
Yeah.
Alright, step out of the
No,
car.
it's not like that.
Step out of the car, bro. Step out of the car.
Razor 103, Unit 1018.
Step out of the car. Step out of the car. Stay here. I need to figure out what's going on. That's all.
Over to Razor 103.
Razor 103. Come here.
Do you need your 94 1018 or?
Deputy Pazmino Alvarez acted swiftly, stopping what could have been a terrifying ordeal for any parent. Thanks to him, the children were rescued and are safe with their loved ones today.
I'm 10-4, not 10-18. Alright.
Case number 3 was filmed in Dos Palos, California on January 13th.
No, I'm tired.
You're gonna make it worse, bro.
No.
Just come talk to me.
The sheriff's office received a call from a woman stating her boyfriend was armed with a knife and holding her 5-year-old son hostage. She also reported domestic violence and that the suspect had started a fire inside the apartment.
I know these guys stink.
Let your kids come out. Let your kids come out.
No.
You don't want to see this. Let your kids
No, I do.
Come talk to me.
Nah, that's it, bro. I'd rather not be in the life.
What are you gonna do then?
I'm gonna kill me and my kid, honestly.
Don't do that. You've been
I'm
doing.
not gonna go to prison, and I'd rather die. I'm telling you, I'm gonna die.
Into you.
You're gonna come over here, dude. I'm being serious, bro. I'm not gonna go to prison. I'm telling you, I'm not gonna go to prison. And I know I'm talking. I'm coming from, bro.
Hey, ¿qué pasó, Adolfo? ¿Hablas español?
Hablo español, pero
Órale, primo. Hey, yo me llamo Roberto. Yo
para servirle.
¿Ah?
Adolfo Cruz.
A Roberto aquí para servirle, amigo. Yo estoy aquí con el departamento de alguacil. Te vengo a ayudar, amigo. ¿Qué está pasando?
Él sabe.
No, pues yo no sé, no. Yo acabo de llegar.
No me tengo que estar explicando yo cada rato.
Eso.
¿Te puedo decir lo que pasó a mí como a ti? Deja decirte.
After the suspect refused to cooperate, a detective fired one shot, neutralizing him. The child was rescued unharmed, and a 13-inch knife was recovered.
Said 45 would just grab the knife and shut the window.
I know this. No, you guys do.
Yo quiero hablar contigo.
I'd rather you shoot me right now, dude.
I don't want to do that, man.
I want you to do that, bro.
I don't, man.
I don't want to go to prison, though. No, I'm not gonna leave here dead. I'm gonna leave you dead. I'm telling you, I'm gonna go to prison. I'm telling you, I'm not gonna go to prison. That's what you want your money.
That wraps up today's cases of suspects trying to steal children. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to subscribe for more gripping body cam stories. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next episode.